Hello friends, it's me Prince Sukla and today I am going to ask a very important question about English. We read English from 2nd class to 12th class. It means 10 years continuously. But we don't know how to speak. Why? What's reason behind it? Actually, we read English only for getting good marks in our test and in our exam. That's why we did not do practice. And practice is very important for learning anything. English is a language, but in our classes when we were in second, third, fourth or in any class, on that time we read English only for writing, for getting good marks. That's why we missed practice. Right now we can write very well in English, we can understand if anyone is speaking, but we can't speak because we did not do practice. And right now we are also doing this mistake, same mistake. Right now many people want to learn English, but they don't want to speak, they don't want to talk in English. They have hesitation. They are thinking if I will speak with anyone and if I'll do any mistake, so they will laugh at me. Yeah, it's correct, but I just want to tell, without practice you can't speak. If you don't want to do practice, so you must remove the plan of learning English. You have to remove your hesitation. And if you will speak in starting, you will face some problem, but very soon you will fluent. It's not a cup of tea, but if you will do practice continuously, so it will improve. It will take a long time, but one day you will be a good speaker. It will not happen in a single day, but one day it will happen. Thank you.